Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today we're gonna get the car running again. I think I said it, well, y'all saw it. If you didn't check the last video, go check the last video. I did a POV, went to go test the car because it was cutting off. We found out it was the alternator. Car been down for a minute. Yeah, I know, but life happens. But we gonna get that taken care of in this video. Y'all stay tuned. Lego. Well, the first thing I'm gonna do is disconnect my battery. You hear me? That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Disconnect the battery. Yes, sir. Take this stabilizer bar off. See how hard this is. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. There we go. Just had to put the muscle in there, you know what I mean? Had to put the muscle in there. Side of the way. Get my 10. Let me see how much things I gotta take off to get this thing out. Oh gosh. Man, I'm just weak today. Golly. Second bolt out. So jack the car up real quick. A little bit more than what I wanted to do. But it is what it is. Jack the car up real quick. That sucks. It's two that. Oh, this sucks. We gotta do it. No other way of getting it out. Put some G's on there. These bolts are tight. Golly. Oh my God. You need the hammer. Get the hammer. Shock it a little bit. Shock it. Shock it properly. Golly. So let's see if this do the trick. Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not yet, not yet. Get it there. Hopefully this fits. Fits. Oh my God! I love it. I love it. It worked. It worked. Now to get it out. Oh, now to get it out. I got it out. Oh, I should have just used that the whole time, man. Oh my gosh. Hurt my arm and everything. Golly. But we got it out. Got it out. We got it out. Let's see if we can squeeze this through here. Oh my gosh, you telling me it still won't come through? No. Alright, still ain't get it off yet, but I think I got a way. I have to take this off. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Let's see. Please work. Oh my God, so many things I gotta take off just to get this out. Yes! Let's go! Alright. So now I know the trick. I had to take this bracket off too. That hold my harness. So the sub harness, so we got it out. We gotta get it swapped out. And we run. Yeah man. Alternator original dog. Yes, sir. Alternator came in. We gonna box this thing right quick. Let's see what's happening. Got it in way easier than expected, but it's in there way easier than I expected, but she's in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. That bolt, I thought it was gonna give me a lot of trouble, but nope, it was easy. So I'm just finish this up. Bolted up, got the belt on. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Got the belt on. Just bolt it up. Put this bracket. Put that bracket back because I had to take that off. And put this bracket on because I had to take this off from here. Some clearance. So went in way easier than when I was trying to get it out, I tell you that. But I'm gonna just finish this up, and then we gonna see if we can give it a start. I'm gonna see if my daughter is up, and we'll see if we can give it a start. Like go. So I didn't connect everything like I thought it's supposed to be yet. So I'm just gonna test it. My wiring harness is plugged in. I'm gonna just give it a test. Just hope it starts. Let's see how this goes. I think I got everything. Wait for it. A little bit of squeaking, but it's just kind of doing its thing. You heard me? Let's go! All right! All right, seems good. Seems good, seems good. Alright, so everything is looking good at the moment. I hope it stays like this. Please be good to me, car. So everything is looking good at the moment. Heard a little squeak, but you know, you just put it in. It's trying to adjust itself and all thing, but everything looks good so far. So we're gonna go for a test drive in this video. So stay tuned. We're gonna see how it goes. Let's go! This is a new angle that I'm trying out. Hope you guys can hear me properly. I am not tuned yet, but I'm gonna give y'all some hits. You heard me? I'm gonna give y'all some hits. But I'm not tuned yet. I'm like a musician right now. I'm gonna give y'all some hits, but I'm not tuned yet. So bear that in mind. I'm trying out this angle. alternator is still failing, but it's pushing out output. I don't understand. So I'm gonna get it tested off the car. Get it tested off the car and then see if it's my wiring harness. Yeah, I don't know. I just asked for a second opinion of the mechanic that I trust. Says it's failing, but at the same time it's pushing output. If y'all know what's going on, let me know, please. Please leave it in the comments if y'all know what's going on. I need to figure this out. I'm gonna take it to the O'Reilly's, let him test it off the car, and then see what's what. I think I said that before. This is frustrating, man. But the car drives good, but see, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it dies out when I stop, and then the idle comes back up. I don't know, man, but it's that car life, man. That's that car life. So just giving you an update on what's going on. I mean, the car drives nice though, like feels so good. Let me know if you like the angle of this as well. I'm gonna give it some. Hopefully it stays, it doesn't cut off totally, but I'm gonna go find a road where I can get some hits, you hear me? Yes, sir. Alright. Let me see if I can get some hits on the street. In Mexico. Where we can enjoy ourselves, you feel me? Yes, sir. One, two, three, go! Hey! Watch this! Watch this shit! Hey! Chill out now. Chill out now. Chill out now. Yo, Honda! You hear me? Yes, sir. I love it. Let me get it again. Let me get it again. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Watch this shit! Hey! Hey! Whoa! Stop it! Stop it! Man, I love this car, man. Woo! Yes, sir. Feels so good. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Let's go. All right, so I mean, that's the end of the video. I'm gonna do a proper outro, but this is the end of the video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Each and every one of y'all. Road to 500 subs.